facto, pterodactyl when I'm micro and macro my mind. Why would I try to hide the fact that I'm jacked to be actually naturally high? And I'm that guy with the flashlight, looking back at the track with the black light. How about this? How about that? Pay attention to wax. You're free to see what that's like. And that's why we need to take things slow, slow. And that's why we need to let some things go. Take a trip through your mystery. Hopefully this visit is a victory and quick to release.
On the bottom of one of our discs.
Paul, what happened there, man?
We should give
Two bogeys in a row.
We signed them last time.
Back to back.
Ooh.
I was under par, now I'm over par. Quick. So we got the easy holes coming up. So I'll probably just get some birdies here and get back on get to the top real quick.
You got a bus.
Water hazard on both of them.
Skydive.
I don't know where it went.
Simon?
Sounds like him.
Da. This is Simon.
They say ya, not da.
Da. It's Russian. It's Russian Simon.
Bye bye.
Yeah, so
Bye bye, swirly shark.
We know the scores now. Start them at 1.
The highest 2-meter penalty ever.
Was that a 100-meter penalty?
Why is mine so restricted?
Paul, that's gonna be trouble, buddy.
I think it's wide open from over there.
So gentle.
That's 6. I go to 3. I'm gonna go to 10, make this 5.
Good par, Nate.
Thanks.
I did? What did I have wrong?
Here we go.
Just a sec. So good.
That's really good. Which shot do you go?
So good.
Put the maximum. Touch play, just smooths it.
That'll play nice.
I like that. That'll curl around. Back wide, beautiful shot. Is that your left?
Out.
Yeah. You're really controlling it. Nice. Thing's great. Spike Heiser. No!
That made it better.
No, it didn't. I was gonna.
Played the drop.
Yeah, that'll play.
Annie.
Oh, I like that line, though.
I hit the one tree that you didn't want.
Oh, the double clutch never works out. Here goes Eagle.
Go in.
Oh, that amazing shot. Ouch! Ouch! Nice three. Oh! Nice try.
He brought the high knees.
Eagle, we just played I-5. And how'd you do, buddy?
Well, I had the best drive out of the group, and like, I could have got a 3 easily, but you know what the name of the hole is? It's I-5. So just got a 5. Just going with the flow. Name of the hole. You gotta live up to the name.
Wait, are you Paul Macbeth?
Yeah.
Somebody stop me.
Oh, that's money, guys. That is absolutely perfect.
Dude, this guy's playing I-5.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, yeah.
Shark boy. Eagle crushes one. Shark boy, where's Lava Girl?
Where's Lava Girl, dude?
Pretty.
Call him.
Oh, you ain't gonna call.
Wait, thing on our
Etiquette.
Pretty high?
Cut roller.
Go in.
Oh, I don't even.
Did you even think about that?
Yeah.
Where did it go? Good?
Park.
Good. Oh, not that hit.
I mean, right here.
I got it.
Wow.
The dude that used to be on the Pacers.
No, why would I go the cool line?
Uh-huh.
Nope,
You could.
not a maker. They call you Joe Dirt. Yeah, no, not a maker. Smart golf.
Shh, this is a big putt.
Hold on. Hey, we're talking here, so give us a second.
Okay.
It's fair. That's we're good.
Yeah, it just went down over there and then off the edge.
Unbelievable.
Damn, Daniel.
It rolled.
I just watched the video. It rolled right
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it rolled right there. Just continued
Maybe
down
it-
and off the cliff.
Maybe it thought it was the other.
Ounce of luck after that beautiful shot.
Oh, look at that.
That's a control game, dude. Hit it. Yeah.
So soft.
That's part. That's gonna be really
It's gonna
good.
cut hard.
Get up.
Oh, that's a good hit.
Laying down the Panther.
Oh, that needs to curl
That's
hard.
Jonathan
That needs
Stewart.
to curl hard.
That's Jonathan Stewart. That's a running. One disc, the end of a factory. Jamie wouldn't let me have from the end of a factory.
This one?
His signature disc. Really? Yes.
Shark claw.
Shark.
Come on. Be there. Oh, man. Oh, sick.
No, he takes. I meant.
Damn.
Oh.
Juiced.
Is that a car party?
Rubbing it. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's ridiculous.
It's a leg crosser.
You told me I was supposed to, and I said no.
Can I not?
Yeah.
Woo! So good.
It's not.
I didn't want to throw it, so I just let it go out of my hand.
Is it? Yeah.
It could bounce down.
Roll down.
Roll down. He's making that.
Didn't turn it.
Yeah, that looks like it's been rubbed a lot.
Kenny's been here a lot of years.
She's born.
I'm gonna have to release a no commentary version of this.
Heisa!
Kaisa.
Heisa!
No.
Nathan!
I was worried
Why
about
did you do
slipping
that?
out.
He needs a big roll here.
Terrible.
Nathan,
Big
Michael.
He needs a roll. He needs a roll. Oh, look at it.
It's still sliding.
Another lucky sidearm.
I missed it! Yeah, dude! Yeah, dude. Watch them toes. Watch them toes, Nathan. Nathan, Michael.
Good angle over here.
Not good.
Yeah, you did.
Eric, we just finished the lady where you carded a nice birdie, sir.
Yeah, thanks, man. I threw the disc and then I.
He
went
has
to
no
my
chance. He has no chance.
line. I am somebody
Sorry.
to someone. Oh, and it kicked awfully.
Oh, wow.
Worst. The worst.
That was the worst.
I apologize for my last statement. Eric still has a chance.
Not now.
I retract my statement.
Good job, Paulie. Pure effect. Yep.
thing I've ever seen in my life.
Wow, perfect.
Nothing.
Yeah, good hit.
Thanks.
Yeah, Eagle.
Wow, what a comebacker.
Yeah.
Nice putt.
Yeah.
Smooth birdie.
Is that YAHS?
Y-A-H-S. That's Y-A-A-H-S.
He's groundhogging.
Sniping. Who's got the laser point? Are you trying to throw?
I don't know. Am
Hey,
I
nice
throwing?
throw.
Yeah.
I'm throwing.
Yeah.
We need this go for. Bring it back.
Leopard game? No? Bull.
Let's be realistic. Read the crowd.
Oh, I went with his line.
It's a pretty shank.
Ooh, that's Kelvin Benjamin. That's in the air.
Every time I try to throw.
That's so good.
Oh.
That is so good.
Wow.
Good shot.
Wait, is that you, Nate?
Sorry, buddy.
Neil. Point.
That's mine. Throw it in.
I gotta throw it in, huh?
Yeah. That's fine.
Hey, just throw it in.
Oh, there we go.
Can he do it? Oh!
God, that's so slick.
But
No, can you say the phone one again? I didn't get it.
But no pun intended. Wow, Eagle. Is that where I thought it was, dude?
No.
Did you go that far? Oh my god.
I almost got it.
That's disgusting.
Good job.
I have not thrown a leopard at all.
Such a stupid kick.
Nate, take an OB stroke right there, buddy.
Yeah, so I just get a meter to nowhere.
You do, don't you? Sounds like a movie title.
Put a meter to nowhere. That's messed up. Real messed up.
Not fair.
Damn it.
You going, Eagle?
Sure.
Dang it. Gosh, dang it, man. Dang it.
I just should have.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Nice
yeah?
shot.
You didn't have a DX Electric, so
Yeah.
you're out
The
of really out
Valkyrie
of
makes you
options.
believe you can do more.
Do more?
Good shot.
Don't do it! One shark thing, it's Melvin. It's a good shark name.
Oh! We got a new leader.
That's garbage. I'll say it right now.
Oh, sorry, Nate.
I'm leading.
Oh, it's all right.
This kid.
If I win. If I win.
I remember this time at an ice bowl, this junior won. He said, he came up to me, he's like, I won, and to shake my hand, but he comes to me. Like, I won.
You owe me.
Shake my hand. I won.
It smells like up dog.
All right,
I said the whole joke before you.
here we go.
What? I said the rest of the joke for you.
You're supposed to say what?
What's the matter? Oh, that's awful. Oh, it's awful. Of course.
Oh, no.
That'll play.
That could have gone a lot worse.
Good out, sir. Sit down. Oh, man.
Oh, then yeah.
Damn it.
We're checking in with Hannah for a score update.
Oh no. Do you want me to read the total number?
Oh.
Okay, Eagle was 71, Eric was 70, Nate has a 69, Paul has a 66.
So plus, so even 3 over.
Back to you, Ian.
Thanks, Hannah.
It's in the basket. Oh my god.
Is this like a tiny little screen, like during the shot?
It's flipping.
Hey.
He's gonna run it in.
In your face, Eric! Time!
Damn it.
Clear!
Ooh, he was nervous. He was nervous. It's in the chest.
4-1!
Just stay in one piece. The roller, ladies and gentlemen.
He got it.
Come on.
That's clean.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh man, so much power.
A lot of stank on that one, Eric.
4-1!
I'll be
4-1K. 5-1K.
Come on, Panther.
That's great. It's genius.
Oh, it's gone. It's not overstable in the slightest.
4-1! That'll play, Nathan.
Wow. Should have gone middle route.
Should have gone middle route. Try that.
This is for all my fans out there. Over there. Eric, you're blocking my fans.
Gotta clap, T-Money.
Thank you.
It's a solid round.
Dang it, that's so stable.
I'm just trying to Oh yeah, he's finished for it.
To beat 3 people.
Under par, I just like to say I finished under par.
Is he really?
1 under par.
1 under par? 1,010 rated round right there.
Thank you.
Plus 6.
One under?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is 1,000. 1,009.
Yeah.
One under
Yeah.
wonder.
Wow.
1,009.
Catching up with Paul and Beth after starter pack challenge. How's your round, Paul?
It was a rough start, but I was able to, learn these discs, dial them in to the exact where I wanted in those first 3 holes. So it was a great day. For
some impressive backhand rollers with that Leo, buddy.
Yeah, it took a little bit to get that beat in. Like I said, about 3 holes, and then it was just a great Santa Cruz miss.
25 roller, top of the world roller.
Top of the world roller. Yeah, it gave me a look if it weren't for that new baseball diamond in the middle of the course. But yeah, finished 1 under par, so I'm stoked about that. What is that? 1,000 rated round?
Oh, it's over 1,000, man. Yep. Thank you, sponsors.
Yeah, Innova Champion Disc. Oh wait, it's right here. Innova Champion Disc, Purist Labs, Adidas Outdoor. I mean, couldn't ask for any better sponsors.
Nate?
And wait, Mr. Santa Cruz Miss himself.
Hook up the disc. Nate Sexton, he started off incredibly hot.
Yeah, it was a crazy start.
He had like a 500-foot putt on the first hole.
Yep, probably.
It was impressive.
Yeah, I had a good time. Probably career worst finish. From what I can remember.
It's 2 rounds walking a day law. You did commentary on the first round. It takes a lot out of you.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I lost my composure at the end. Couldn't make anything happen but 5s. So, I was under the whole round, but now I'm 3 over.
Oh, man.
So,
that's a rough finish.
That's how it goes. I couldn't throw uphill, apparently.
Day law will get you eventually, man.
No, I don't know if it will, but that's okay. I can have a nemesis. So,
sure.
if I never have success here, that'll be okay.
Yeah. And at least did you beat Eagle?
Yep, just barely.
Beat Eric?
Just barely. I came crashing down. Yeah, I think I shot it in the end 3 over thanks to those back-to-back 5s at the end. But it was fun. We had a lot of good shots, a lot of good discs. Even though I was nicer all year and got the champion ones, still things couldn't come out my favorite. It's weird, but I don't know. Sometimes nice guys do finish last.
Or second place.
Yeah.
Eric Oakley.
What's that?
How was your day today, buddy?
Oh, it was fun.
Yeah?
My leopard let me down at the end, and I was thinking I was going to get eagle, but when he took it down. Kid's good. And then big ups to Nate and Paulo. You guys did a good job. I still am switching everything over to D-line. So we need to make some D-line PD2s. UC. D-line PD2s.
Those are mash.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
And Discmania winner, Eagle McMahon. Started off rough, Eagle, but...
Oh, it was bad. They thought I needed just to keep the watermelon.
Yeah.
But I fought back. I proved them wrong.
Sprinkled some birdies in there.
I threw that 150 shark so much. That thing holds a crazy good line. I was throwing it as hard as I could on crazy hyzers, and it would just stand up and grind straight forever. But, yeah, it was a lot of fun. Can't wait to do this again.
Thanks for coming out, man. Appreciate it.
Come on, Eric.
No.
You really?
No.
Throwing wood chips at me?
Joke?
You guys want to thank Discmania for bringing you guys on the road?
Yeah, thank you, Discmania. And, yeah, thanks, Paul and Nate. And Central Coast. Turn that camera around. Turn that camera around. Give me that thing.
All right, dude.
I don't know how to work this thing. Am I breaking it? Yeah, I guess it's working, right?
Crew. Look at this crew.
Look at that fan.
Who's that guy? Who's that guy?
I'm just standing.
Yeah, these
He's
three.
just standing. He's extra.
These are the ones who we should be thanking more than anybody else.
Well, thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming out. It's fun having you guys be so cool. All those fans appreciate it, man, for sure. Cool. Thanks, Eric.
What a way to be, dude.
What do we do with these?
Maybe some signed giveaways, Paul?
Oh my god. No. How?
All of
There's the rest of it.
There's the roller.
Whoa.
Cut roll. Let's slow it down just enough.
Just enough.
There it
Oh,
goes.
God. I saw a bird, but
Get over it.
oh no.
Straight in. Hey, you didn't throw that at all this round.
Wow.
I think it's stubble.
I think it's hitting trees.
Parking lot!
More stable than
Oh, you can throw it like straight. Great.
That's gonna be
That's
real.
going though. Look,
That's gonna be real
it's
good.
gonna flex. Clear that thing.
Oh yeah. Oh no, too soft.
Oh, look at that late turn.
Oh.